Hello everybody, it's Sunday morning and this is my Hot Wheels review. And this is all I picked up in Hot Wheels. I only picked 6 Hot Wheels up this week. So let's get into it right away. Okay, the first Hot Wheel is Mega Turner. Yeah, just a little tiny Hot Wheel. Mega Turner. So let's open that up right away. Yeah, Mega Turner. Yeah. Here's the paper. Here's the bubble. And here's the little Mega Turner. Oh yeah. It's a tiny, it's a tiny Hot Wheels. Yeah, purple, pink, and yellow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a neat Hot Wheels, but yeah. That's the first one. And the second one is a Hot Wheeler. Hot Wheeler, yeah. That's the second one. So I'll open that up right away. Here's the paper. Here's the bubble. And here's the car. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's neat. Yeah, purple and black. Yeah. Oh, it's got a teeth. Yeah, it's got teeth. Yeah, like a little, like a rat or something. Yeah, and there's the Hot Wheels. Yeah. Oh yeah, it looks neat. Oh yeah, with the little teeth and the mouth, the little face there. Yeah. Yeah, that's a neat Hot Wheels. And the third one is Bob Wheels. Yeah, it says Bob Wheels. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll open that one right away. See what we can see. The paper, the bubble, and here's the Hot Wheels. Here's the Hot Wheel. Oh, look at that gold and black. Oh yeah, gold and black. Yeah, it's a neat looking Hot Wheels. Yeah, yeah. Reminds me of like Mad Max, the movie. Yeah, yeah. Alright, now the fourth one is Volkswagen Beetle. Just a Volkswagen Beetle, yeah. Oh, it says Love 2021. Yeah. We'll open that up. It's the paper. It's the bubble. And here's the Beetle. Volkswagen Beetle. Oh yeah, it looks neat. I like the different colors. That's a different color. Different color red too. Oh yeah. Then the top I like. It says Love 2021. Yeah, that's a neat Hot Wheels. Yeah. Yeah, that's a neat Beetle, yeah. And the fifth one is Speed Dozer. Speed Dozer. So it's like a bulldozer, yeah. Open that up right away. Paper. There's the bubble. And here's the dozer. Speed Dozer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's neat. Look at the big wheels in the bottom. Here's the back, yeah. And then the front. You got the dozer thing. Oh yeah, that's a neat Hot Wheels, yeah. Yeah. Then the last one is loco motrin. It's a locomotive, I guess, yeah. Yeah. I'll open that one right away. Oh, there's a paper. There's the bubble. Oh yeah, it's like a locomotive, yeah. Oh yeah, like a train, yeah. Oh, that's neat. Yeah. Oh yeah. See the front. Reminds me of Thomas the Train, yeah. 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 I like the top too. Yeah, and you could see through it, yeah. Oh yeah, that's a neat Hot Wheels. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a neat Hot Wheels. Okay, that's my haul for this week, and I'll pick my favorite one out of this haul. Has to be the Love Beetle. 2021, yeah, the Love Beetle. Yeah. Okay, see you next week. Okay, bye. See you next Sunday. My other Hot Wheels haul of the week. Bye.